Hey, what's up, everyone? So you know how it can be super frustrating to mess around with complex audio editing software? Yeah, me too. Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you how to master audio editing using CapCut, and the best part? It's totally free and easy as pie. So stick around, you don't want to miss this. Alright, so let's kick things off with what CapCut actually is. Now, this little gem is a mobile video editing app, right? But it doesn't stop at just video editing. Oh no, it goes above and beyond, offering some sweet audio editing features too. This is like a lifesaver for, content creators on TikTok, YouTubers, educators, businesses, basically anyone who wants to make their videos sound amazing. Okay, you might be thinking, how does CapCut compare to, say, Adobe Audition or Audacity? Well, I've given those a go, and while they're pretty cool and all, they can be a bit tricky to figure out, and yeah, they can cost you some money. CapCut, it's free and super user-friendly. No joke. Now, what's the magic sauce here with CapCut's audio editing? First off, you get these basics like trimming, splitting, and merging audio tracks. Like, let's say you recorded a podcast, but there's this one part where you kinda rambled. You can easily snip that part out. Or maybe you want to mash up a couple of songs for a dance video? Go for it, it's a breeze. And hey, if your dog decided to bark in the background, no worries, you can easily reduce that noise. But hey, that's not all. CapCut has this wicked audio library packed with royalty-free music and sound effects. So, say goodbye to copyright issues. You can totally add some jazz tunes or maybe some upbeat pop to make your video pop literally. So here's a quick rundown on how to get started. Fire up the CapCut app, upload your video, and then just hop over to the audio tab. From there, you can start trimming, splitting, merging, you name it. You can even adjust the volume or throw in some cool effects. Trust me, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Oh, and before I forget, CapCut has these neat fade-in and fade-out tools. Plus, they've got an equalizer to tweak the frequencies and stuff. If you're feeling adventurous, go ahead and try the compressor and limiter tools. You won't regret it. Feeling a bit lost? No biggie. CapCut has some in-app tutorials, and there's a bunch of YouTube tutorials by creators like Xandra David and Colin Michael that'll totally help you out. So who's this for? Whether you're an Instagram influencer, a teacher who's creating online lessons, or just someone who wants to make videos for fun, CapCut has got something for you. And the cool thing is, they keep updating the app, so you can always expect new and exciting features. Alright, to sum it all up, if you're looking to make your audio sound top-notch without breaking the bank or your brain, CapCut is the way to go. Seriously, give it a whirl. So that's it for today, guys and gals. If you found this useful, do me a solid and hit that like button, drop a comment, and hey, why not subscribe for more killer content? Thanks for hanging out with me, and catch you next time.